The Ford 6.2 Boss V8 is a heavy-duty, naturally aspirated engine built from 2010 to 2022 for Super Duty trucks and commercial vans. Designed to handle towing, hauling, and long work cycles, it features a rugged cast-iron block, aluminum SOHC heads, port fuel injection, and a unique dual spark per cylinder setup. With up to 411 horsepower and 434 pound-feet of torque, it was Ford's answer to GM's Vortec and Chrysler's Hemi engines. Despite its truck-focused nature, the 6.2 Boss developed a strong reputation as one of Ford's most durable modern gasoline V8s. The 6.2 Boss was engineered with longevity in mind rather than high-revving performance. It uses a deep-skirt iron block with cross-bolted main caps, forged steel connecting rods, and piston cooling jets, all of which improve strength under load. The SOHC valve train with 2 valves per cylinder keeps things mechanically simple compared to DOHC designs. Dual variable cam timing improves efficiency without adding too much complexity. Unlike EcoBoost engines, there are no turbos, no direct injection carbon buildup issues, and fewer heat-related stresses. This simplicity is a key reason for its reliability. One of the most well-known issues, especially on early 2010 to 2011 engines, is valve spring failure. When a spring breaks, it can cause the valve to drop into the cylinder, leading to catastrophic engine damage. While not extremely common, it is the most serious failure associated with this engine. Symptoms include sudden misfires, metallic knocking, and immediate loss of power. The issue is more likely in abused engines or those with high mileage, but it's something every owner should be aware of. The 6.2 Boss uses 16 spark plugs, 2 per cylinder, which improves combustion efficiency but complicates maintenance. Because some plugs are harder to access, owners often delay replacement. This leads to rough idle, misfires, poor fuel economy, and sluggish acceleration. In many cases, what seems like a major engine issue is simply overdue spark plug service. At higher mileages, 200,000 kilometers and beyond, some engines begin to consume oil. This is typically caused by worn valve stem seals or PCV system issues rather than major internal damage. Oil leaks are also common with age, especially from valve cover gaskets, the oil pan, and the rear main seal. These problems are generally minor but should not be ignored, as low oil levels can accelerate wear on timing components. Compared to earlier Ford engines like the 5.4 Triton, the cam phasers in the 6.2 Boss are significantly more reliable. However, they are not completely immune to issues. In rare cases, phasers can stick or fail, causing timing errors, rough running, or loss of power. Timing chains themselves are durable, but poor oil maintenance can lead to chain noise or premature wear over time. Some owners report occasional problems with injector connectors, which can loosen and cause random misfires, PU300 codes. Additionally, the fuel pressure regulator is integrated into the fuel pump module, meaning a failure requires replacing the entire assembly. These aren't widespread failures, but can be frustrating due to repair costs. At very high mileage, the 6.2 Boss may develop timing chain rattle, increased oil consumption, and minor gasket leaks. None of these are unusual for a workhorse V8. Its simple design, strong internals, and lack of forced induction contribute to excellent longevity. Many examples easily exceed 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Most problems are either minor, mileage-related, or caused by neglect rather than poor engineering.